Welcome to English is Easy. In today's video, we'll go through 60 simple English questions and answers that you can use in daily conversations. These are short, practical, and perfect for improving your English step by step. Stay with me until the end, and by the time you finish this video, you'll feel more confident speaking in everyday situations. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and please subscribe to English is Easy for more simple and fun English learning videos. What's your name?
My name is Adolphe.
How old are you?
I'm 32 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in the USA.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
Is your family big or small?
It's a small family.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, every day.
Do you go to school or work?
I go to school.
How do you get there?
I go by bus.
What time do you come home?
I come home at 4 p.m.
Do you help at home?
Yes, I help clean and cook.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I watch shows after dinner.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I sleep at 10 p.m.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea.
What time do you wake up?
At 6 a.m.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I clean it every week.
Do you use a mobile phone?
Yes, I use it every day.
What do you use your phone for?
For calling, chatting, and watching videos.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, once a week.
Do you cook food?
Sometimes I do.
Do you eat with your family?
Yes, every night.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I try to.
Do you take showers daily?
Yes, in the morning.
Do you walk or ride a bike?
I walk.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and spend time with friends.
Do you sleep late on weekends?
Yes, a little later.
Do you like your daily routine?
Yes, it's simple.
Do you make your own food?
Sometimes I make noodles or eggs.
What time do you eat dinner?
At 8 p.m.
Do you go out often?
Only sometimes.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Facebook and YouTube.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend is Sam.
How often do you see your friends?
I see them every weekend.
What do you do with your friends?
We talk, play games, and go for walks.
Do you like spending time with friends?
Yes, very much.
Do you go to the movies with friends?
Sometimes on weekends.
Do you play games?
Yes, I like playing mobile games.
What's your favorite game?
I like playing Free Fire.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yes, every day.
What kind of videos do you like?
I like funny and educational videos.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What music do you listen to?
Pop and soft music.
Do you sing?
Only when I'm alone.
Can you play an instrument?
No, I can't.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, dancing is fun.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I enjoy storybooks.
What's your favorite book?
Harry Potter.
Do you write in a journal?
No, but I want to try.
Do you draw or paint?
Yes, I like drawing.
Do you enjoy watching TV?
Yes, I watch comedy shows.
Do you watch sports?
Yes, I watch cricket.
Do you play any sport?
Yes, I play football.
Do you go outside often?
Yes, I go for walks in the evening.
Do you go to the park?
Yes, with my friends or family.
Do you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I ride it sometimes.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love the sea.
Do you go on picnics?
Yes, once or twice a year.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love exploring new places.